Flower fairies, please rise. It's time for spring.
Each season, I want to remain as present as possible and make that season the event that it is. So my first step is always creating a playlist for the season. For spring, I choose music that makes me feel uplifted because that's just the mood I want for spring.
I am feeling all of the spring vibes. I just had my morning routine, did a little workout, took a shower, made some tea, and now I'm gonna get ready for the day and play my brand new spring playlist that I just made to get the spring vibes up. So let's get ready.
Down with my hair undone.
I'm trying to break my winter hermit habits. In the springtime, I like to just get out as early and as much as possible. So we're gonna go to the coffee shop. I think it's a yellow day. 1, 2, 3. This is so cute. So every season, one of my favorite ways to really get in the mood of that season and romanticize it is to make a Pinterest board. I usually just add to my board from the year before because I like seeing how things change. Look how cute. This is basically the vibe I want for spring. Like very, very Charlotte York, yellows, florals, polka dots of course, and White Fox sent me so many cute clothes for spring.
Thank you, White Fox, for sponsoring this video.
Like there's all of these and then this whole box. Ladies interested as well. She has good taste in fashion. I'm already seeing so many patterns that are like on my Pinterest board. White Fox has express worldwide shipping and they offer next day delivery and 2-day delivery. Okay, let's start trying things on because these are so cute. Okay, this first top is the one I'm wearing right now. It is so cute. This is probably what I was most excited for. It's so Charlotte York to me. Like I love that I can dress it down with some jeans, but I could also like wear it with a little midi skirt and make it kind of dolled up. What really sold me is this ruffle. I just think that's so pretty. I feel like this material is gonna be really nice when it gets hot out, and I do not do well in the heat, so whenever I find clothes that I'm like, okay, yeah, I feel like I can wear this on a hot day, I really appreciate it. I just think that's so cute. Then I'm literally obsessed with these jeans. They're gonna be like my new go-to jeans. They're so, so cute. They're the perfect like low-rise, kind of wider, casual pair of jeans. It's just like perfect for every day. Okay, this is the Dreamy pajama top actually in Sugar Blossom. I probably will be wearing this to bed. It's like the softest, most buttery material, but also I felt like it was cute for going out. And I love all the little flowers on it. I just think that is so cute. Okay, they sent me the pink sweat set of my dreams. Like, look. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try this on. It's like softest, cushy marshmallow material ever. And this is literally the perfect shade of pink. I've been wanting a pink sweat set for so long. Let's put this on. Are you kidding me? I haven't even put the sweatshirt on yet. But the sweatpants are literally perfect. I also got this tank top. It's like the perfect princess ballerina pink. I'm literally gonna wear this every day that I work from home. This tank top, this is like my new hyperfixation tank top. This is just the nicest tank top I've literally ever put on. It's just this really soft, nice material. I feel like it's like sucks you in, but without being too constraining because I hate that feeling. I literally hate when clothes feel like they're strangling me. But this is like equally fashion, equal comfort, and I just love it. Oh my god. I think this is the softest hoodie I've ever put on. Like, I wish you could feel the inside. Oh my god, this is the best hoodie I've ever had. This also has like the little white fox cursive. These are also like the cutest sunnies ever. I got these. I think they are the cutest, most glamorous shape ever. I love them. Oh my god. Oh my god. New spring personality. Unlocked. Like, imagine I'm grocery shopping in this. I had to put this top back on to show you these capris, which this is my first pair. Are you kidding? I've been wanting a pair of capris for so long now. I'm just like so excited to wear these. Like, excuse me. Hello? This is straight off my Pinterest board. Oh my god. And with this top, the brown and the polka dots, I'm just like loving the mix of vibes. I really like the material of this. This is so stretchy. I feel like this is gonna be so nice on really hot days. Out, or it could be dressed down with some jeans. This is literally like my dream dress. I really have a dress like this on my vision board. It's so Audrey Hepburn. Like, are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to wear this. This material is just so airy and flowy and nice. One of my goals is to start wearing more black, and this is the perfect little black tank top. I love the little bows on it. I feel like all of their clothes are just so soft. And then this little polka dot skirt with built-in shorts. Are you kidding me? This is definitely gonna be my gateway outfit into wearing more black because this is adorable. This really pretty pink satin midi skirt. I'm like so excited to wear midi skirts this season. I feel like they're just so Charlotte York. And then this is the exact same tank top but in like a cream color. Okay, and this is literally like my dream dress right now. I've just been really into brown. The brown with the polka dots, you're kidding. This is perfect. I think I have a brand new spring wardrobe. Everything is so cute. Thank you so much White Fox for sponsoring this video. I'll have everything linked down below, so definitely go check them out.
Use my code YTGG for 15% off site-wide, excluding sale items.
Now let's get on with our spring activities. So I'm currently also filming like a cleaning my messy room video. So I just changed my bed sheets, but simultaneously I feel like I want to make my room like a little bit more springy. I feel like the way to make your room the most springtimey is just to add color everywhere you can. Here's a few really easy ways you can do that. First of all, I'm gonna hang up some really cute springy bags. This wall I wallpapered, and I think peel and stick wallpaper is such a cute way to add more color to your space. I didn't wallpaper my whole room, just one wall, so that it was a lot cheaper. You could also even get like contact paper, or if you're really on a budget, you can wrapping paper that's really cute and not too like metallic looking to do this, or even just like a closet door, the drawers in your dresser. Possibilities are endless.
I also just love finding little ways to add pops of color around my room with cute organization things. Replacing a plastic container to store your makeup in with a teacup, or this vintage lipstick holder, handkerchief I have on my bedstand. and just finding little ways to add color to your space.
I didn't get any fresh flowers all winter, but I decided it was a must for this video. I love adding fresh flowers to my space because I just feel like it brings life inside. And like what is more spring than tulips? They are probably my favorite flower. This is one of the most simple but most effective ways to really make it feel like spring in your space. Look at this one. This is one of my favorite vintage finds ever. This little bunny. I love going to the antique stores in the springtime and looking at all of their spring decorations because I'm just like obsessed with anything bunny related. And this makes the perfect place to put my spring flowers. This one's like just trying to say hello. She's getting a haircut later this week. She really needs it. Okay, so I feel like the perfect way to end this video is to talk about my spring whimsical bucket list. Every single season, I love to make a whimsical bucket list of the things and the ways that I envision that I can make that time more whimsical. Recently, I was on TikTok and I saw myself at the start of this like how to be whimsy video, me and Lady. So that's my whimsical credentials. I'm so in love with my journal setup right now. Like, look how springtimey. But this has just been one of my favorite exercises to kind of get my head into that season and feel present instead of constantly wishing it was a different season. I think that making your life a little bit more whimsical is something you do need to intentionally do. I don't think it just happens by accident. So here are some of the ways that I think that I can make my spring more whimsical. Some of these we did in this video, like adding fresh flowers to my space. I love kind of documenting the growth of like different flowers, plants, trees in my area. So I love like walking around and taking pictures of the same tree every single week, and then you can see the progression of its leaves coming out and the flowers. I think that's really fun. I want to do some baking, like very fairy-esque, flower fairy. Like I'd love to bake some tea cakes or something. And just in general, having a little fairy snacks, which is basically just like snack plates. If you are not on snack plate TikTok, you need to look it up. Berries, radishes, cool butter that you find at your local farmer's market. Like just little things that are all really yummy, go really well together, and just make you feel like a fairy and are also really healthy for you. Rom-com Saturdays, I think this is such a cute idea. I feel like spring is the perfect time for so many different rom-coms, and there's so many rom-coms that I actually haven't seen. Having an afternoon once a week that's dedicated to watching a new rom-com, either by yourself or with whoever you're with, like that night, being like, hey, we're watching a rom-com, that sounds so cute. Antiquing, specifically for bunny themed things like this. I love going to the antique store this time of year because there are just so many cute bunny and spring floral things. Sprinkles. I keep seeing everybody putting like sprinkles in their cute matcha or coffees, and I feel like that's such an easy whimsical thing that I need to get some because so cute. I love customizing my alarm clocks, and this is actually a necessity for me because after a while I will just start sleeping through the alarm. So every single like month I have to change my alarm clock, but specifically for spring, I think it'd be so cute to have like some sort of song that feels really springy and exciting to wake up to, or maybe if you are not as heavy as a sleeper as me, doing like bird sounds or something really lovely to wake up to that just makes you feel like a fairy. Making a spring playlist, which we did in this video. You should do it too, or you can listen to mine down below. But put the sad songs down because I just feel like this time of year playing really upbeat, happy music can make you feel amazing. Going for a color walk, again, I feel like color is just such a big part of spring, and this is such a great way to just be mindful on your walks. Pressed flowers. I want to do some more scrapbooking in general, and I think like pressing flowers from like a specific day that you want to remember is so cute and sentimental. And then there's also just so many cute like flower crafts you could do. I really want to paint. I feel like that's gonna be my spring hobby, especially going somewhere when it gets warm. Bringing some watercolors, I feel like would be so fun. Fairy garden type of things that you could paint. And yeah, that's my whimsical bucket list. I hope that it gave you some ideas. I think that that brings me to the end of this video as well. I hope that you all loved it so much. I had so much fun filming it, and I feel the spring vibe. Like flower fairy mode activated. I'm feeling really happy and just uplifted and excited to just come out of hibernation. So yeah, I love you all so much. Definitely subscribe, stick around so that we can hang out in my next video. Thank you so much, White Fox, for sponsoring this video. Definitely go check out all the outfits down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.